Good morning, and I'm going to show you how to access your firewall with a two-wire gateway. And usually this is going to be an AT&T item that's used. The first thing you want to do is have one of your browsers open. It doesn't matter if it's Firefox, Internet Explorer, whatever, it doesn't matter. You go up to your address bar, you type 192.168.1.254 and you hit enter. This will bring up to a system summary page, the first page you see. Now, if you haven't installed your modem, if you haven't done anything with it thus far, you click on Run System Setup, which is right over here. You do that, it'll ask you for a password, it'll ask you for time and date, it'll ask you for this, that, and everything else. It's pretty much self-explanatory. You have all the information at your fingertips for the most part. There is one thing it will ask for, and that's the network key, which is going to be located on the bottom of the modem with the serial number and whatnot. But let's say you got everything set up and you don't have you can't access your game through the firewall. The firewall's blocking you. Okay, fine. You go over here and click on firewall. Ignore this and click on firewall settings. Now you have let's see, I don't know, Diablo 3, okay, and it's not loaded up or whatever. You click on new user definition or defined application. That'll bring up this. You type in the name of the game, such as that, and say it uses TCP port 10.6.9. Okay, that's the only port it's going to use. So you type in 10.6.9 here. Now once you have that all set up, you type in 86400 for TCP, and UTP is going to be 600. Now I usually don't change anything around with that. There's really no need to unless you're otherwise told to do so. And once you're done entering all that information, click on Add Definition. It's working up here. As soon as it stops working, it'll come back and I'll have that definition added at the top of the page or at the top of the list. And click on back. And there you see it right here. Click on that now. You want to make sure you're on your computer, not somebody else's computer, such as this case. I have 3 computers hooked to the network, or the internal network. Now, we're working with my computer at this point in time, so, go ahead and make sure that's selected. And normally you're going to be, a default setting is maximum protection. It's just not going to allow anything to go through. You want to be on allow individual applications or application. You click on highlight Diablo 3, you click on add. Then it'll pop up over here as soon as it's done working. Yeah, you're done with that? Click on done. It'll bring you back to here and it'll tell you, for verification, it'll tell you that hey, it's open, you're able to use it now. Go to view details, and here's your ports that are open. And this is the public IP that you have, so you're good to go. Everything else is easy peasy. Log into your game and have fun.